Hello, people. Keeping by the series of tribute to Miss Sri Devi, who got the news that she passed away today. I'm reviewing a whole series of Sri Devi films. So the second film for today is this movie called Lamhe. That was one of her. Basically, I'm reviewing these iconic films of Sri Devi's, and Lamhe, the movie. It starred Sri Devi in like a. It's almost like a double role, as in she's playing both the mother and daughter, so that was very unique about the film, and it had Anil Kapoor in it, and Anil Kapoor is again like he's playing this character who the he's seen the mother, and then sees the daughter getting all it's a very complex story. So that was interesting, and people, to be really honest, these movies came in the early part of 90s, so it's been quite a while since we've seen the film. So um now that Devi ma'am is no longer with us, I find it futile to really rate the film. But I'll just say this, that keeping in mind, and the film had some amazing cinematography. Like, it was shot in the deserts of Rajasthan, and and Devi looked like a doll in the film. So do watch it, people. Lamhe was one of Lamhe, which means moments. It was one of Devi's very well known films. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.